I decided not to perform the data preparation for the purpose of data visualizations, because it would take a lot of time. But I'm gonna show the result of this data prep. I created this dashboard using Power BI so that we could visualize the categorical variables and also some continuous variables as well. So the idea of this data preparation was to separate, was to actually create four categories for the prices, such as low, medium, high, and extremely high, which was the identified outliers. We see here that most of the sales are considered low prices, and you can also see that most of the sales are above the 2010. So you can see here. Mileage is considered low prices, followed by medium, high, and just 1%, around 1% outliers. Let's check some other visualization. So here we see that most of the sales comes from the Ford maker, followed by Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and the price, most of them are for Ford, low priced. There's a lot of hybrids. Should be same, let's say, distribution between both. Most of them are the fuel type or gasoline, followed by hybrid and flex fuel, which is a blended of gasoline and ethanol. Not sure why this is not reported. I could place this with well, oh, okay. We've replaced this chart from my previous analysis. Sales internal column, so black is the most frequent one. Automatic, since is in the United States, the automatic is the most that has the most sales. Here in Brazil, it should be, I think it could be manual, because we have more. We still have more cars with manual transmission here in Brazil. Radiator, it's more performance. Keep going, and now let's just. This video is taking too long. Let's just jump for the data preparation for the machine learning models. So data prep. Well, what I've done, I created some dummy variables for these four columns: field type, transmission accident, and clean title. Since there are a limited number of categories, I decided to use one hot encoding to convert these values into columns and set as binary output, such as if the clean title is yes, then it should be 1, and no, 0, and so on. Let's check this. So here we can see that I've used drop first. It's to avoid redundancy on the new columns. such as, for example, clean title. Yes, if I didn't use the drop first, you don't have uh, you don't create another column called clean title node. So it's either one or zero. If no, it's zero, as you can see. That's why I decided to use the drop first. So let's encode these values so that we can apply the machine learning algorithms. Let's use the label encoding. And let's using a dictionary that we could attribute different, for example, different model for a specific number, but we could, well, this would take a lot of time. So scikit-learn has a lot of libraries to do this, such as label, regional encoding, and uh, some other libraries. So I'm gonna just use label encoder because there's no order for using, for example, original encoder. SQL dot processing folder. Okay. Let's copy the poly string input. Let's get the label for just the category with categories with text value, text call, and course. For let's read it with transform and key. So iterate over the columns and uh, transform into numeric. Let's check the result.